Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Bowling. I'm a professor of hydrology and water resources in the Department of Agronomy at Purdue and the director of the Natural Resources and Environmental Science program. World Environment Day is a program of the UN Environment Program, and so it's a June 5th every year. It's been going on since 1973, and it's a day set aside to raise global awareness of environmental problems and really highlight what different people around the world can do to address environmental problems. And so each year there's a different country that is the host, and there's a different theme associated with that host country. So this year for 2024, the theme is land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. So drainage water recycling is when we collect water that is coming out of pipes from underneath corn and soybean fields, so agricultural fields. We're collecting that in a pond, a wetland, some other reservoir. So we fill that pond up with water in the spring when we have excess water, and we store it there until later in the summer when it's hot and dry and the crop needs water. So then we're pumping it out of the pond, applying it back on our corn and soybean field as irrigation water. And so that's how we're recycling. We're taking water that came off of the cornfield and recycling it back onto the same cornfield. How drainage water recycling has been used more west of here has been excavating large storage reservoirs in order to store a significant amount of drainage water that can be used for supplemental irrigation. And that can be a very expensive practice, right? Just plain digging big holes takes a lot of money and it takes some land out of production. But there are a lot of positive aspects to this, right? Flood control, ecosystem services, wildlife benefits, as well as water quality benefits and benefits to the farmer. And so we're really trying to find a way to bring all of those pieces together, trying to make it more economical, but using smaller storage reservoirs that can have that wildlife benefit and can be distributed more widely across the landscape. But it's definitely a challenge to get all of the pieces in place, and so it's something that we're still experimenting with.